Hello guys. So today we're going to learn about Telegram bot Hamster Combat. So everybody know about this because it's a most trending Telegram bot that we have ever come across. I think you might have watched so many videos or pop-up advertisements or so many things. So this is Hamster Combat. It's to be listed. So it is, you don't need to invest any amount of money in this particular Telegram bot. Instead, you just need to spend your free time in working. So here I'm going to explain each and everything from this video. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to all, so that you will be first person to receive the notification whenever I upload these kind of videos. So let's see. So first, I'll give the link in the description. As you press the link in the description, you will be coming to this particular area where you will be receiving like 5,000 coins in the beginning. So let's example say you receive, so you're receiving 5,000 coins in the beginning. I mean, you will be here, I suppose, yeah, here from bronze, where you will be receiving basic coins, and from there you will be, after 5,000 coins, you will be to silver, and from there 25,000 coins you will be to gold, and from 100,000 coins you will be platinum, and 1 million coins you will be diamond, 2 million epic, and 10 million you will be legend, and master to be master you will be 50,000 50 million coins, and next grandmaster, it's almost like 1,68,000 18 million coins, and so on. To be master, you can count even more, and the lord is almost like 1 billion coins, creator 18 billion coins, and there you don't have any other further upgrades. So you may get a doubt how to work in this particular Telegram bot. So I'm going to show you. Just, you don't need to do anything. First thing what you have to do is just press on this particular thing. So you see, you're getting coins like this. You just use your two fingers. You don't need to use any number of fingers. Just use two fingers. If at all you use three fingers, you don't get anything here. You see, you don't get regularly. But if you use three fingers, you will be getting regular coins. But thing is that if you go on press like this, you don't earn good income, I mean good coins from this. For that, you just need to do something. First thing, you have to go to earn. There you have to finish all these tasks. Like, let's example say open this one and watch the video just to check. After 1 hour, come back and check this, check that after watching a video. For that, you will get 1 lakh coin. And next one, daily check-in. When you go for daily check-in, so for 10 days it will give you, and after 10 days it will come back to the first day. So for 10 days, continuous 10 days, you will be receiving 5 million coins. So that means 500, 1k, 2.5k, 5k, 15k, 25k. You can see all of them here for 10 days. I think at the 10th day you will be receiving 5 million coins. So I already checked. That's the reason it is asking me to come back tomorrow. So next option is, you see here, task list. We have a number of task lists here. So please try to complete all the tasks, because at the time of airdrop, it will be checking the task that you have completed also. So I mean, when the time of giveaway or when the time of distributing airdrop, they will be checking all these things. Please don't wait to finish, or complete as early as possible. Inviting, at least you should have at least 5 friends. At least 5 friends. If you have, it will be very easy for you to get the airdrop as soon as possible. So let's come back to the normal checking. So you see the things here. You see the first one here. So daily reward, it's already received. And next one, daily cipher. I mean to say, they will be giving you Morse code. So they will be giving you Morse code. I will show you how it is. This is a Morse code that I told you. So for this, you may be getting doubt how to do this one. I will show you in the application. So click on a daily cipher here. You can see the daily cipher in this particular area. So click on that. When you click on that, you will get red circle like this. Just what you have to do is, so you have to check your what to say, you have to check your code here. You can see the code here, dash dash dot. So just hold on. Yeah, just hold it, leave the button, hold it, leave the button, dot. So then first word will come. What is the first word here? G. Next for A, we'll have to enter dot and dash. Dot. Hold the finger and leave it. Dash. And next last one, three dots. So just press dot dot dot. So for that you will be receiving 10 lakh coins. For that you will be receiving 10 lakh coins every day. So after 2 hours, I will be receiving daily cipher again, and after daily cipher I have another one, daily combo. So daily combo you will have to check. I think most probably you can find the daily combo outside. I think maybe I can try to create video, or under this video I will try to give you everyday daily cipher daily ciphers, or I will be pasting. Please subscribe my channel so that you will not be missing daily combo and daily cipher. So for this, let us check how to do it. So first one, today's daily cipher first one is margin trading 30x. So marketing, go to market. You can see the daily cipher first one, margin trading, this one. You can see this one. So what you have to do is just click on that and press go ahead. Just upgrade it and you can see it is coming, it will come up and it is selected. Next one, Oracle. So you have to find Oracle, where is it? And sometimes if you may not find it here in these areas, you'll have to go to next one, Web3, and I have it here. So new coins and all, it will be listed up and you have to just purchase that. Just click on this Oracle and go ahead, press and go ahead, and it will be added here on the top. And last one, semi-final England versus Netherlands. So to find that, you have to go to special cards. Special cards. For the special cards, you will find, actually this was not here before when I selected. This was not here before. So it was somewhere like in the new cards here. In the new cards, when I pressed a new cards, it was on the top. It was on the top here in this particular area. In this particular top area, I purchased it, and that's the reason it is in my cards now. So for this also, you just click on that, just upgrade upgrade it or purchase it. It will be added to your card section, and for this you will be receiving 50 lakh coins. For this you will be receiving 50 lakh coins. That you will, if you can finish it, you can finish it, and for finishing you will be receiving 50 lakh coins. So it is up to us how to do it. And now you may be getting doubt, how to gain these coins. You see my coins are increasing, you see my coins go on increase as I speak. So what is happening here? How are you able to do it? So for that we need to check on to this particular area where it shows profit per hour. So my profit per hour is 651,000 per hour. So for that we need to go on to this mine section here. So go to the mine section. So you see all the coins here, many number of coins are there. So you have to upgrade them. How to upgrade? Click on this one coin, click on go ahead. See, it is upgraded to level 11, and it is you see this IT team, it is level 10. So I have to upgrade this IT team. So for that I'm clicking on that, and 47,000 coins are debited, going to be debited from my balance. and it will be purchased and upgraded here. So like that you have to upgrade all of them. You see all my coins here. I have upgraded all the coins here. I have upgraded. Most of the coins are in level. Most of the coins are in level 10 and above. And I have still need to upgrade the coins here. So you see here, I have to spend 2 lakh coins. 2 lakh coins, and it will give me 6,000 per 6,000 coins per hour. So you have to just check how many coins you are going to receive in hour, and how much coins you're going to spend in that. So whenever you upgrade, you just see that investment you're going to give and the profit you're going to receive, and how long you're going to take to receive your profit, or how long you're going to receive your invested amount. You go to the next market here. So in the market, you can see all the coins here, all the main coins. So number of coins you will see here. Just to try to upgrade all of them. Try to upgrade all of them and increase profit per hour. Increase profit per hour. You can see all the coins here. You see some of the coins you have to invite people. You see the coins here. These coins you have to invite people to unlock. So I already told you minimum 5 members you have to invite to be to be part of a airdrop, receiving airdrop here. So you just take your time to invite people to join here. So I'll upgrade one of these per you. I'm going to upgrade license Philip. So 1,65,000 coins. So done. And Webex, I have already upgraded them. So 1,98,000 coins, and it is giving me 21,000 coins per hour. So I'm going to special cards here. When I go to special cards here, it's going to take 22,000 coins, and it's going to give me 3,000 coins per hour. So I have upgraded most of them, and some of them I have owned them. I bought them and owned them. So this is how you will be spending your time and coins here. So as you spend your time and coins here, as you spend your coins here, see that your coins are not completely exhausted. You see that you are not going to use all the coins that you have. You see here, I can see my coins here, 16 crore 41 lakh 39,700, and it is still counting on. So this is how you will be doing all the works here, and claiming all the coins, doing all the daily rewards, daily silver, daily combo will increase your what to say, your coin count. And next option that we have is boost. So just go to the boost here. We have full energy for 6 of them. I have used I have used all 4 of them, and I have 2 of them remaining here. You can see there. And next one, multi tap. For increasing this multi tap, what is this multi tap? I'll show you here. So when I tap, I'm getting 18 plus. Only 18 I'm getting. So if I want to increase that 18 to some other number, I have to spend some coins here. So like a 10 lakhs I have to spend. 10 lakhs 24,000 24,000 I have to spend to increase my level. See? So 19, I got 19 here, and there was a balance deducted here. So for that, next one, energy limit. I have energy limit like 9,500. To increase that, I have to spend 10 lakhs 24,000 again. So I'm spending 10 lakhs 24,000. You see the debited amount there, debited coins. So like this, you will be going on increasing, and very soon they are going to release turbo also. Let's wait for that. Let's wait for the turbo, and I hope everyone understood about this particular video. Keep on working. And last one, if you want to choose or change language anything, just click on this setting button here on the top. Just click on the setting button, and you will be you will be redirected setting page. You can select your language and you can choose your exchange, or you want to delete your account, you can delete, but nobody can do that because you are earning something here. So just click on this ring here, click on this particular hamster, and you will be going on gaining your coins and the coin number increasing continuously. It's a very good thing and it's going to be listed very soon. So as soon as you see this video, please click on the link at the description and start working and make money. There are many scam websites opening that you can sell your hamster combat. Please don't be cheated. Please don't be cheated. Work and let us make money when it is listed. Okay. I hope everyone understood. If you have any doubt or any suggestion, anything to ask, let me know in the comment section. See you all. Peace and happy earning.